Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I will show you how I achieve this short natural hair look on my TWA natural hair. Stay tuned. First, I am starting off with damp, wet hair that has been currently washed. I am now going to detangle my hair in sections, starting from the front and the back. Now I'm going to create a side part with a comb for my style. I wanted to do as many small sections as I can because the smaller the sections, the more the definition. And now the final last one. Now I am taking this scarf to cover my hair and protect it. Good night. It is now the next morning and I am getting ready to go somewhere. You know I have to get all cute. Using this toothbrush, I'm going to take my Eco Styler olive oil gel and lay down my edges. And I'm done. This is the final look of my style. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.